will not need to remove the top to change the filter, but I'm just doing it to make it easier to see. You'll take these screws out of the corners and remove this side panel, which is again on the inlet side. This is your filter. This water coming in here, flow is going this way. So whenever you put your new filter in, you install it the same direction. These tools we sell at MistCooling.com. You can use a crescent wrench or sometimes your fingers. There's an outer ring on this filter that you need to push in towards the filter and pull back on the filter to relieve it from the line. You do the same thing on this end to remove it from this elbow. Then put your new filter back onto the elbow, swing it around, and push it back onto the tubing. This device here is called a solenoid. What this does is when the pump is turned off, this has a little plunger inside of it which will plunge down and stop the water flow. So whenever you turn your pump off, you do not have to turn your water supply off. You can leave it on all the time. Your toggle switch, just like a light switch, up is on, down is off.